Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam.
Birthday edition!
I'm Jam, this is my jam, and I am so excited. Look at this, can you see the paper? How it sparkles?
It does shimmer a bit.
Oh, it's beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen such beautiful wrapping paper in my entire life. Ever. This is, it's so good. Does it sparkle?
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little dabble to you.
All right. So this came in the mail today. I wasn't expecting it. It was in a Amazon box. And at first I thought, I don't think I've ordered anything from Amazon.
Today.
And then, stop. And then I remembered that Dawn said, like, you're going to get a package from FedEx. And I'm like, oh. And my birthday is this week. So, well, this coming up week. So it says, happy birthday, Jamie. I'm so excited. And then I pulled the box out and I'm like, oh my gosh. And I'm like, can I open it for everybody, with everybody? And they're, she's like, yes. So it's money spent during your birthday month doesn't count. Girl math. All right. James, happy birthday from all of us. Love, David, Winnie, Yoda, Dawn, Ed, and Eva. Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. Look at this pretty paper. This is like a gift. I can put this up on the shelf.
You should probably try and save it.
I know, it's beautiful.
I had an uncle that used to do that.
Uncle Danny?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. Just being very gentle with it.
Gentle Ben.
Now, girls, if any of you gets a present for me, wrapped in this at some point in the future, forget about it.
It's the paper that keeps on giving. That's not nice. They want you to die or...
Stop it. Okay. Just look at this.
Shimmering.
Oh, I just love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's see here. Or I don't know if this is the box or it is from Dior. Or...
Must be child-proof.
Right, because I can't open it. Like you guys can see before me. Oh, jeez, there's another present in here.
We'll close our eyes.
Oh my gosh. This is what I got inside. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Oh, a Jellycat charm. Oh, what is a little birthday charm? That is so awesome.
Is that for 61?
Stop it. I'm not 61. I never ever was into charms. Now all of a sudden I'm liking charms. I just put a order in with Tokidoki today because they had some charms on sale.
My name's James, and I'm a charmaholic.
I know, like, what happened to me? This is so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you. I don't know where to go next here. Okay, that's like the receipt for the Hermes here. Do I do Hermes first? Do I
yes,
do the box
do
first?
the Hermes first.
Oh, there's even the bag and the box for Hermes. I'm gonna save Hermes.
All right.
Okay. Because I got some more of this sparkly paper. I know, I'm crazy about the paper. Okay. Another Dior box. Dawn. Those have the coolest paper ever. Then the coolest...
That's all right. That's where it'll sit for the next 2 weeks.
It is not.
Okay.
And the coolest boxes ever. This is from Dior. Ooh, what have we got in here? Oh, look at
I don't know, Margot.
That is so. Oh, and the paper says the ore on it. Oh, I'm gonna set this down.
It's a bag in a bag.
That's a bag. Oh my gosh! Look at it's a little clip for my hair. That is really pretty. Oh my gosh. I love that. And with my hair, I love doing stuff with that. Oh my gosh. That is really pretty. Look at the pretty bag.
Oh, so pretty.
I'm also into all this stuff. And then what else do we got here? This has got a really pretty bag too. Set this down here gently. Very little. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at these earrings. Are they, can you see they're green?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, these are so pretty.
Green's your jam.
I know it is. It's James Jam. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Can you see how they sparkle too?
Yep. Hold them still so we can focus.
I'm just having fun dangling them.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Thank you guys. That is so awesome. And they're really pretty bags. Okay. I got Hermes. Looks like this is, look at this. I even have the bag.
Mm-hmm.
And I believe this would be the receipt. I'm not going to look in that yet because it'll tell me what it is. Look at that little box. Oh my gosh. I can't rush it. I gotta just do it gentle. There's glitter all over everything. Just love it. Oh my gosh. My little Hermes tie. Oh my gosh. No way. No way, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, you guys know that Calvi card holders are my favorite. Oh my gosh, this blue. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then the interior has a darker color. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is so awesome. I love this color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm just, oh my gosh. I have like the best friends in the whole world. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. Just look at that color. This might be my favorite Calvi card holder now. I would have to say it is. It's such a pretty color. And my friends got it for me. Oh my gosh. You guys, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And I'm sure you wrapped this all up, Dawn, and used like this beautiful packaging and beautiful paper. And oh my gosh. Oh
Today's
my
drinking
gosh.
game brought to you by, oh my gosh.
I can't believe it. I love the leather.
I'm hammered.
Stop it. I love the color.
Oh my gosh.
Stop making fun. I'm so excited. These are like the best, the best, the best, the best. Oh my. I can't help it. I just want to keep saying, oh my gosh.
I'll have another.
I can't even believe you guys.
Should probably read their names and thank them again.
I will. Oh my God. Stop saying it.
Sorry if the camera's a little wonky now. I've had a lot to drink.
Except for now, you have not. Now, where did I put it? There it is. It's from Dawn, Ed, Eva, David, Winnie, and Yoda. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, my birthday's on Tuesday. I'm getting very near 60.
So it's not 61?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's 58.
Whoa.
Right?
Whoa.
Right? I always get terrible now, because I like to think I'm like, oh, I'm going to be 56. No, you're going to be 58.
My old lady here.
Stop it. This is just so special. I've talked about this before, that my mom would make birthdays and Christmases very special. And for my birthday, I always got to pick the cake I wanted and whatever dinner I wanted. And I've done that now for all my boys, including Mick. You always get to pick what kind of cake you want, and what do you want me to make you for dinner, or where do you want to go for dinner, or what do you want to have brought in for dinner. And Mick usually likes to go somewhere. Turner always wants me to make something. Make the cake and make the dinner and go all out. It's usually he'll give me recipes of stuff that he wants. You know, like steak and just it's stuff that I've never made before. So I'm always freaking out about if it's going to turn out or not. Connor's kind of iffy, but it's always a Cold Stone cake. And you shake up your cake if you even get any. A lot of times Mick doesn't get any because he's diabetic. Gary, unfortunately, likes the Walmart cakes, which I don't like either. But I just think it's really special. And that's kind of went by the wayside, that happening for me. Since Mom's been gone, although Mick now, he's asked me again, where do you want to go for dinner now? What kind of cake do you want? So that's been nice. And, but it's just, birthdays and Christmases are always really hard for me. And, because they were the things that just stood out regardless of how things were the whole rest of the year. Birthdays and Christmases were just phenomenal times for me. And since my mom's passed, they're definitely harder. And just having a group of people, okay, you're not gonna cry, just having a group of people just come around and just embrace me the way that they have and love me the way that I love them has just been the most incredible gift ever I could have ever hoped for with doing this YouTube channel. So with that, just thank you so much again. I really appreciate it. I floored. And I didn't say, oh my gosh, that time.
You just did.
I did. I know. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not going to say my usual spiel today, because today I want the focus to be on those awesome friends I have and just thank them so much. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.